Alright guys, let's see what's in the parcel today. Do this quick unparceling. Start it off in a really awkward style. Alright, let's see. Okay. I'm hoping it's what I'm... Made in China cushion kit number... Okay, let's see. Maybe this is not what I was hoping it'd be. I was hoping to get a camera that I recently ordered, and I guess that's not it, but maybe it is, because it says Bose on the side. I just came over with a knife, right? Alright, let's see what we got here. Ah, there we go. Some ear pads, because eventually these things get messed up, so there we have it. Thanks for watching.
Likey.